Hello everyone, my name is Felix Adolfo, a software engineering student of the Ghana Communication Technology University. Today, we'll be building two simple circuits. The first one being a 4x1 multiplexer and the second one a 4x2 decoder. So we begin with defining what a multiplexer and a decoder is. So a multiplexer is a digital circuit that selects one of several input signals and directs it to a single output line. It acts like a switch which is controlled by select lines. And an example is a 4x1 multiplexer, which we'll be doing. And this example of multiplexer selects one of four input lines based on two select lines, right? Furthermore, a decoder is a digital circuit that converts binary input into a specific output line. It activates one output line based on the binary input combination. Very good. And an example is a 2 to 4 decoder, which activates one of four output lines based on two binary input lines. So these two circuits can be used in various applications such as data transmission and routing, address decoding in memory systems, and control signal generation. So quickly, let's jump to building these circuits. First of all, take the multiplexer. Since we want to begin with that one, we drop it. Then we select the number of bits to be 2. Since it is a 4x1 multiplexer, so that we'll be able to take two inputs. And we select our first pin, we drop it here. Our second pin, we drop it. Our third pin, we drop it. And our last pin. Then you continue by connecting the pins to the multiplexer. So the first one is done, then the second one also done, the third one done, finally the fourth one, fourth one also done. Now we take another pin which will act as our selector. We will change its facing to north since it is facing east, so that we can be able to connect it to the multiplexer. Okay, and we connect it to the short line, the short wire. Don't worry about that. And we take our output and we connect our multiplexer to the output. And we need to change the inputs, the bits of this one to 2. Then we take two values and we will try our circuit beginning with a 0 0, which is the first one. You see it is on. Now we try with the last one, which is 1 1. 1 1 also goes on. Then the 0 1, which is the second one, the 0 1 also goes on. Then the 1 0 also goes on. Voila, we are done with our 4x1 multiplexer circuits. We are not done yet. We move to the decoder part. So now we are building a 4 to 2 decoder. As usual, we need to change the bits to 2. Then we select our pins as we did for the multiplexer. The first pin, select our second pin, select our third pin, drop it here, and then our final pin. For your work to be nice, you just have to make sure that the intervals are the same. Then we change the facing to the west so that we can connect it to our decoder. to the west, and the final one also to the west. We connect our first pin to the decoder. We connect the second pin to the decoder. Connect our third pin also to the decoder, and finally our fourth pin also also to the decoder. We are almost done. Take our last pin once again, which will act as our selector. We change the number of bits to 2, and then change its facing as well, so that we can connect it to the decoder as we did for the multiplexer. Very good. So since it is 00, connected it. Sorry, connect it. You see automatically the first one goes on. When I change it, when I change the binary digit, the third one goes on. Changing for the last one, it also goes on, and then our second one also goes on. So we are done with our 4x1 multiplexer circuit and our 4x2 decoder circuit. Once again, my name is Felix Sesenyo Adofo, and thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Continue to watch and learn as we all move together. I'm a student of Ghana Communication Technology University, and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye.